Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the best dark spot serums in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these dark spot serums you can check out the description below. So let's get started. Lightning Wand from Hero Cosmetics. Brightening serum for fading post-blemish dark spots with botanicals. Some dark spot correctors are also highly effective at fading dark pigmentation around the eyes. After testing several formulas, we found the Hero Cosmetics Lightning Wand Dark Spot Brightening Serum is the best for targeting this skincare woe. While it did take almost all 3 months for us to see a big change in our under-eye circles, we love how convenient the formula is. It's a pen, and that it includes potent ingredients such as vitamin C, licorice root, and tranexamic acid to fade hyperpigmentation. Additionally, it only takes a little bit of formula to achieve results, and it can be used in a multitude of ways, including on sun damage and acne blemishes, so it's excellent value. PCA Skin Hydroquinone-Free Pigment Gel Dark Spot Corrector. Dark Spot Serum. For those with acne-prone or oily skin, we recommend the PCA Skin Hydroquinone-Free Pigment Gel Face Serum, which is formulated with several quality ingredients that are effective at fading dark spots, including phenylethyl resorcinol, azelaic acid, and kojic acid. While this dark spot corrector is pricier compared to others we tested, a little goes a long way. After testing for just 2 weeks, we saw a noticeable difference in our complexion's clarity and, after 3 months, most of our dark spots were completely gone. Additionally, we found that this formula helps keep breakouts at bay as our skin not only looked even in tone but remained blemish-free during testing. One small drawback is the scent, which is an acquired taste and might not appeal to everyone. CITYGOO Dark Spot Remover for Face. Dark Spot Corrector Cream. When it comes to dark spot correctors, we often find formulas specifically for the face. However, if you want something that can also be used on the body, we love the CITYGOO Dark Spot Remover for Face and Body. Formulated with niacinamide and vitamin B5, this multifunctional skincare formula can improve the look of sun damage on the face and the body. Although the formula took almost the entire 3-month testing period to notice any changes, it was fast absorbing and easy to apply as a spot treatment to concerns on the body. Plus, it works well for maintenance. It also has a budget-friendly price tag and its formula is gentle enough to use daily without causing any irritation, making it well worth a try if you're committed to using it for the long haul. Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Retinol plus Vitamin C Dark Spot Corrector Face Serum. If you're looking for a formula that can reduce dark spots while also supporting anti-aging efforts, you'll want a product with retinol. The Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Retinol plus Vitamin C Dark Spot Corrector is our top pick. The retinol gives it a multitasking advantage and helps target fine lines and wrinkles while also fading the look of dark spots. In addition to using it as a spot corrector, this lightweight formula can be applied all over the face and is easy to layer with other skincare products. Additionally, the drugstore dark spot corrector features hyaluronic acid to nourish and moisturize the skin, helping to reverse the dryness that often comes with age. While testing this formula, we were most impressed by how well it faded our dark spots after around 6 weeks of regular use, as well as the firming effect it provided. Since this product includes retinol, which makes the skin more sensitive to the sun, it's best to apply this at night versus the morning. And be sure to use SPF. Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. For a more even-looking complexion and a glow-up, reach for the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum, which is formulated with all kinds of skincare superstars, including vitamin C, which promotes a radiant complexion, plus guava seed, fruit extract, and tranexamic acid. This gentle formula is soothing and refreshing on the complexion, providing a subtle fading effect on dark spots over time, while also delivering tons of nourishing hydration for healthy skin and an improved glow. Plus, it comes with a side of anti-aging benefits, outside of helping with dark spots, and can firm up the skin.